perform another activity for transpiration in plants. This activity is very easy and easily you can demonstrate it. And for this activity you have to go to your garden. Here the tools I am using are a well watered plant. The plant should be well watered. You have to take polythene, you have to take any thread or any rubber band to tie the polythene, but make sure do not take a dark polythene. The polythene should be white. Okay, so here what all things I will do, just check it. Here I will take a stem which should have well watered leaves, and I will put the polythene inside the stem. Then by the help of the thread, you have to tie by the base of the polythene. Tie it properly so that you can get a good result. Okay. Now I have tied, I have completed tying. The same plant you take another stem, but you remove all the leaves of that stem. The stem should be, the stem should not bear any leaf. Now do the same for this stem. Remember, the stem should not bear any leaf. Okay, now we will leave the plant in this condition for about 1 to 2 hours in sun. You cannot take this plant to shady place, okay, because you cannot get the result without the sunlight. And now we will keep it for at least 1 hour, then we will see the result. So students, I am showing you the result just after 20 minutes of our experiment. You need not to wait for 1 hour also. You can see the result after 20 minutes or half an hour. You can see a good result. Can you see this polythene that we have wrapped on the watered leaves? Okay, can you see the droplets over the polythene? Yes, this is transpiration. As we have taken the watered leaf and we have taken, or we have covered the leaf with a polythene, all the water that get transpired, that blocked on the walls of the polythene. You can see the water drops here easily. It is very nice to show you. Here I am showing you in the shade, because in shade it will be clearly visible. You can also see this in sunlight also. And now if you will see this polythene, which the stem is empty stem, means it do not have any leaf. Here you can see no water droplets here. This is not having any water droplet, fully the same polythene as we have kept earlier. You can compare these two polythene. It is very easy and very interesting to do. You can see a number of water droplets here. It is so beautiful to see. You can compare this polythene with this. This is the polythene with water droplets, and this is the polythene without water droplets. So what we can conclude here, leaves undergo transpiration. So when we take, or when leaf absorb water, or when leaf takes water from root by the help of xylem, it stores some water for photosynthesis, and rest all the water it transpire, or it gives out in the form of vapor, which we call it as transpiration. Better you do this experiment during hot sun day. Do not do at morning, you will not get a good result. Better you do around 11 or 12 o'clock. Nicely you will have a result of this. Thank you.